Am I the only one that didn't know you can make money doing what you love? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But believe it or not, it's entirely possible. Imagine waking up every day excited to dive into your work because it's something you're genuinely passionate about. No more dragging yourself out of bed for a job that doesn't fulfill you. Instead, you can channel your energy into something that brings you joy and satisfaction. You can turn your hobbies and interests into a profitable venture. Whether it's painting, writing, cooking, or even playing video games, there's a market out there for almost anything. The key is to find what you love and figure out how to monetize it. It's true. Let's dive in. First, identify your passion. What is that one thing you can do for hours without getting bored? What activity makes you lose track of time? This is your passion. It could be something you've loved since childhood or a new interest you've recently discovered. What do you love doing so much that time flies by? Think about those moments when you're so engrossed in an activity that you forget to eat or sleep. That's the kind of passion we're talking about. Next, find your niche. This is where you narrow down your passion to something specific. For example, if you love cooking, maybe your niche is vegan baking or gourmet meal prep. Narrow it down to something specific. This helps you stand out in a crowded market. The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract a dedicated audience who shares your interest. This makes you stand out. Then build your brand. Your brand is your identity. It's how people will recognize and remember you. Create a name and logo that reflect your passion. Be authentic. Authenticity is crucial because people can tell when you're being genuine. Share your story, your struggles, and your successes. People connect with real stories. Now, market yourself in. Use social media. Share your journey. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a wide audience. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with them. They are your biggest supporters. Monetize your passion. This is where you start making money. Offer products or services. Think about what you can offer that adds value to your audience. You can sell courses, ebooks, or even merchandise. Finally, keep learning. The world is constantly changing, and staying updated is essential. Stay updated in your field. Adapt and grow. Remember, patience is key. Building a successful business takes time. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a lot of patience. But with passion and persistence, you can achieve your goals. You can turn your dreams into reality. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off and knowing that you've built something meaningful. So, ready to make money doing what you love? Let's get started. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace your passion, take the leap, and start your journey today.